Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this hand riveter set from Parkside for durable connection of different materials like metal, aluminium or plastic, with non-slip handle and handle lock for material thickness up to 4 mm, 110 piece set included, with accessories and 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Supplied in a compact case, making it easy to organize and store rivets by size. The set includes various sizes of rivets, commonly ranging from 2.4 mm, 3.2, 4 and 4.8 mm in diameter. This range allows for flexibility in different types of materials and thickness. Rivets are made from material like aluminium or steel. And the rivet gun includes, we have the manual. If you want to read this, your choice, but stay with me, we're going to find out all about this product, this tool, hand tool. It has an ergonomic handle for comfort during extended use, very soft. The handle lock. One assembly spanner here in this storage position. I like that. The rivet gun comes with several interchangeable nozzles that allows you to switch between rivet size quickly. 2.4, 3.2, 4 and 4.8 mm. It says here 3.2. Is designed for multiple sizes of rivets, making it versatile for different applications. So, and of course, included, we have 4 HSS drill bits, and they have the same diameter, 2.4, 3.2, 4 and 4.8 mm. 100 rivets total, 25, 25, 25 and 25. So let's start and test this tool with a larger, very easy to remove, the 4.8. And install again this one. You are not going to lose these nozzles. Now I have made the screw holes and I will use the larger 4.8. Insert the rivet inside, there it is. Press. And that was all. So easy. Let's try another one, large again. Perfect. It is so strong. Now I will test and the smaller with this 2 aluminium, and I will use the 3.2. Is a versatile toolkit designed for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals who need to perform riveting tasks on metal, leather, plastic and other materials. And that was all. So easy. A handy addition for those looking to make strong, permanent fastenings on a variety of materials, adding reliability and durability to any project. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tool reviews, tips and DIY projects. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep building, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next video.